In this video, we'll walk you through the clutch initialization procedure on a 2020 Honda ADV750. What you'll need: Motomaster, main cable, MO41 dedicated cable. Locate the diagnostic port, then use the MO41 cable to connect the diagnostic scanner to the motorcycle. Turn the ignition on, select Moto Diag, choose Honda. Select Auto Scan and ensure you're using the MO41 diagnostic connector. Go to Special Functions. Select Clutch Initialize Learning. Carefully read the important notes, and ensure the engine is off and the transmission is in neutral. The tool will display, is the shift indicator L turned on? Tap Cancel. Within 10 seconds, turn the ignition off then back on. Start the engine, wait until both the L indicator and the dash symbol disappear, then tap OK. Once the clutch initialization completes successfully, tap OK. Then, follow the on-screen prompt to turn off the ignition within 10 seconds and tap OK again. If the tool displays the inspection is finished, the procedure has completed successfully. Thanks for watching.